This is East of Torn Camping Edition. Where am I again? This is East of Torn's mixed berry crisp. This is amazing, and I'm using granola and honey and lemon zest on the top. Let's get into this easy, quick recipe. So I have my cast iron mini servers, honey, granola, and my berry melody. All right, you can use whatever fruit mixture you like. I'm using berry melody, and what I'm doing is adding that mixture to my mini cast iron servers, just like that. Now that you have everything laid out, either your mini servers or your cast iron skillet, go ahead and take that over to the campfire. You just want to go ahead and heat this up. It's going to come to a nice simmer. You just want to warm it up. It doesn't need to be on there too long. I would say a good 5 minutes or so on that rolling heat, and you should be fine. So I got that going on the fire, as you can see right there. Got that going, so we're gonna let that come to a nice simmer, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some granola, honey, and lemon zest onto the topping. Guys, look at that. Y'all hear it? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take this off. Nice and hot and bubbly. Then we'll take this off the fire. We just need it to warm up just a little bit. We'll go ahead and carry this over. Look at that. Alright, so let's get the other one. See my firewood, got the fire going. Really windy today. So now we have our berry melody, and now we're going to go ahead and add some good granola on top of this. The reason why we're adding granola is because guess what, we can't make a crisp or crumble on top because I'm out here camping, so we can't get the top done, but I'm adding some granola. All right. A little bit of honey. Now at this point I'm adding lemon zest. I'm not sure why I stopped talking in the video, but I just wanted to make sure you all knew what I was doing. So I'm adding lemon zest on top of the granola and the berry melody, and then that's it. And there you have it. We have our mixed berry crisp. Taste test time. See it here. I had a bite already. Lemon zest, the granola, and the berry. On point. That concludes the camping edition. See you guys next time.